Today I'm going to show you how to configure a brand new APS tent, that 16 sensor refrigerator alarm, maximum and minimum temperature refrigerator alarm. This one is a SMS text message model. Basically, when you first get out of the box, we send you the controller. We don't send you iPad, but I'm going to show you on iPad what we have. We send you a bunch of sensor. Those are stainless steel waterproof sensor. They come with 3 wires, as you see here. Okay, the red is positive, the gray is negative, and the yellow is data. And you get each sensor has a sticker with a unique ID on it. Okay, when you first power the unit, okay, the unit will go to scan mode. If you see in the beginning, it said 3 sensor connected. I got 3 sensor right here. Okay, and it will tell me the ID 11D. Okay, let's see what the next one. 1BA. Okay, so show me the 3 sensors that I have here. 1BA, and I have 13A, and I have refrigerator that is 11D. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is the following. Now, if you didn't configure the sensor, it will tell you, it will instruct you to go to the website, and we send you the link where to do the configuration. Okay, so after I fill up my personal information here, and the most important is where to send us your SMS, okay, the SIM card, and your address, and this over here you have send SMS alarm. Okay, this is your phone number, and on the bottom, if you want to add the technician into the including him in an SMS when you have a problem, you should fill up this one. That's a message you get when you don't configure the device. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and configure the device right here on the iPad. Okay, you don't have to connect anywhere. This is a total the iPad should be on the internet, but the machine itself, as long as you have a SIM card there, it's fine. Okay, so when I go drop down, I can see the sensor 11DA. 11DA right here is refrigerator. Okay, fridge, walk-in fridge, and I go sensor 1, and I got the minimum temperature right now. You can leave it blank if you want, but I can set the minimum temperature going to be 75. The maximum temperature going to be 85. This is just for demonstration because it's right here on the table. Okay, and I want 1 minute. Okay, now when I have a second sensor is 11DA. Okay, A, that's the freezer. Okay, 13A. Right here I see 13A, the freezer, and you can name it any one you want. Okay, we call it walk-in freezer. Again, we choose sensor type 1. Maximum temperature is minimum temperature is 75, and I put here 85, and 1 minute alarm. Okay, if you have 3 sensors, you want to rename it all. You don't want to leave one blank. If you have blank, just disconnect it or disable it. You can disable the sensor right here on the left side. Okay, I'm gonna choose the third sensor, and we're gonna call it we have a 13A, 11D, and we have 1BA. 1BA, and we call it okay, high side temp. Okay, that's sensor is going to be installed on a pipe that's coming from the condenser unit, and it monitor the high side temperature. What it is going to do is going to tell me if I have a malfunction on the condenser unit, including like fan motor that quit or that coil is clogged. Okay, sensor 1, going to put it here. We don't need a minimum temperature, so we'll set it up to 100 degrees maximum, and set a 1 minute alarm. Okay, so basically what I do here, I'm done with all the configuration, as you see, and I send it to device. Now we log in again to make sure it took the configuration. Okay, everything is there. Okay, and they're gonna send the information into the device by pressing the reset device. Every time you can turn the machine off or on with the switch here, but if you're far away, you can just send it by pressing the reset. And let's see what happened here on the screen. Okay, let's find the sensor. Find the second sensor. Initialize the GPRS. This is the SMS number. Signal is 8 out of 31. It's kind of low, but you don't want to, if you have less than that, it's you want to raise the device or put it by a window or something. Same as a telephone, you want to get a better signal. The antenna in the device is right here inside, next to the switch. It's communicating and download all the information that I just put on an iPad. Okay, you got the name already. We saw that. You can set up audio alarm or light alarm, walk-in freezer. If you have a disconnect, it's 196. If you have a short, it's 185. Minimum temperature, maximum temperature, that's stuff that I set up originally. Now, after it's finished all that booting sequence, you're not going to show you all those messages. This is just for the beginning. If you have any problem, we can troubleshoot it. But once the information is in the unit, okay, it's just going to show you the device, the name and the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, and basically give you an alarm right here if you have an alarm, and also send the SMS so that everything loaded into the device. And basically right now we're gonna see we're monitoring pin 7. You can set up a different thing. So I tell you the temperature in the freezer. We have minimum alarm on the freezer because it's reached the minimum temperature. Walk-in fridge. Okay, we got on that one minimum alarm too because the temperature is too low. Okay, keep in mind the temperature in the room right now is 72. Okay, now it's telling me that I have an alarm, and soon it's going to send SMS to my phone after 1 minute. If you want to set up for an hour, you put 60 minutes. If you want 2 hours, 120. You get the idea. Okay, go to AmericanController.com and you can read more about the device. Okay, one more thing I want to show you is if you have any problem, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your configuration page, okay, and make sure you don't have any red error. Usually when you, for instance, right now I'm going to put another sensor, and I'm going to call that okay, and I try to save it. You see, it tell you that I have a problem here. Okay, look for this red invalid value. If you have invalid value, it will give you a problem. So pay attention to the website, make sure everything is nice and clean. If you want this disable sensor, okay, just click this and save the configuration. It will disable the sensor. Thank you. Go to AmericanController.com to order the device, or to hear more about it, call me 732-688-2332, 732-688-2332. Thank you.